Start. Senior Counsel appearing for Class 4 Employees Association made the following submissions in terms of the directions issued by the Supreme Court in Section Officer Brotherhood. The Chief Justice had constituted a committee of 4 judges. Stop. The report submitted by this committee was accepted by the Chief Justice and the rules were accordingly amended. Stop. The order impugned in the writ petition by which the amendments have not been approved is arbitrary and in the teeth of observations made by the Supreme Court. The order dated 26 July 2012 passed by the state government clearly fails to take into consideration the observations made in the judgment dated 27 May 2009 rendered in the writ petition that had been filed to assail the earlier order passed by the state government. Stop. In the said judgment, the learned judge, after referring to the report of the committee constituted by the Chief Justice, held that the nature of work and duties performed by Class 4 employees of the High Court are distinct and different from Class 4 employees of the state government. The order dated 26 July 2012 also does not take into consideration the observations made in the order 9 March 2012 by which the review application filed by the state against the judgment dated 27 May 2009 was rejected. Consideration of the relevant factors by the committee of 4 judges for recommending that Class 4 employees working in the High Court are entitled to higher pay scales, namely large number of working hours, different nature of duties, performance of no less onerous and arduous duties as their counterparts in the Delhi High Court, as also performance of important public duties as noticed by the learned judge could not have been ignored by the state while concluding that not only would the grant of higher pay scales create anomaly between Class 4 employees of the state and Class 4 employees of the High Court, but also cause financial implications, and to support the contention that the rules made by the Chief Justice of the High Court under Article 229 of the Constitution, in so far as the relate to salary allowances, leave and pensions, should normally be approved by the governor of the state. Reliance was placed upon certain decisions to which reference shall made. Stop. Sri Ashish Mishra appearing for the High Court has supported the amendments in the rules and also placed before the High Court the recommendations made by the 4 judges committee and other relevant documents. Stop. Learned Counsel has also adopted the submissions made by Learned Senior Counsel for Class 4 Employees Association. Stop. We have considered the submissions advanced